Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming essentials, app updated and the plus plus accessory paired over Bluetooth. Once paired, open the device menu in Pokémon GO Plus and choose sleep mode. Set a short timer first so you can test. You do this now because immediate pairing and a short test prevents wasted steps later. Make sure location and background refresh permissions are enabled. Once done, press Activate to initiate sleep mode and watch the status LED for confirmation before moving on. Now you refine how sleep mode behaves. Choose 15, 30, 60 minutes or a custom window depending on your goal. You should adjust auto catch and Roman 4 filters so only targets you want wake the device. This reduces false wakes and conserves battery. Make sure encounter frequency and quiet alerts are set to low if you want minimal interruptions. Once configured, save the profile and let the app apply settings to the accessory so the behavior matches your priorities while sleeping. You finish by activating the saved sleep profile and confirming the accessory LED or app indicator shows it sleeping. Test for 5 minutes to ensure it only wakes for chosen targets, then exit back to normal mode when satisfied. If the device disconnects or acts erratically, first restart Bluetooth and the app, then repair the accessory. Replace the battery if problems persist. One key troubleshooting tip: if the app doesn't retain settings, clear app cache or reinstall before adjusting profiles again.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.